Aloha, welcome back to Living 808. Our friends at Revolusan have moved.
That's right. In today's Energy Innovation segment, we visit them at their new home and learn how they can help us stay cool when things start to heat up. Take a look. We are here at Revolusan's new innovation center at SALT at our Kaka'ako. We're chatting with the general manager, Dave Gorman here. David, hello. Congratulations on this beautiful new space.
We're finally done. It's been a long process, but we're really excited. You were here for our grand opening, and we're officially open to the public, so come down and see us.
Terrific. And it seems like you guys have even more products here than you did at your last showroom.
We did. So, kind of opening up at SALT allowed us to rethink the Innovation Center, and we added a lot of products that came from kitchen table conversations and from our viewers on Living 808. So, really excited to have even more to offer.
Terrific. With summer right around the corner, today our segment focuses on air conditioning, and you actually have a lot of different types of air conditioning units here. Are they all Mitsubishi?
They are, yep. So everything in here is Mitsubishi. We have pretty much every different air conditioning type that Mitsubishi offers. They offer a wide range of air conditioning solutions because the house or the space needs are different. So we've installed them all here. And so, you can actually see, touch, feel all the different ways that Revolusan and Mitsubishi can cool your home.
Okay, I do see the wall unit, and if I remember correctly, that's the one that you have in your home.
Yes, so that's the most traditional of the Mitsubishi split systems. There's a wall unit in each individual room, and then an outdoor unit either dedicated to that room or to a couple of rooms outside the home. So another AC unit we have is actually a floor-mounted unit. So some people don't have enough wall space, some people might not even have a drop ceiling, but everybody's got a floor. So there's a floor-mounted unit that can actually go up against the window or against the wall and cool the home off as well from there.
Okay, for people who have kind of that drop ceiling, what are some options for them?
So they do make a recessed ceiling cassette. And so we have that in our conference room. And basically, if you have a lot of windows, you don't have enough wall space for that wall-mounted indoor unit, we can actually put the hardware up into the ceiling. Kind of looks like central air conditioning. It's not central air conditioning. It still is split zone cooling. And so each individual room will get one of those recessed air conditioning units, and it's all up in the ceiling so you don't see it.
You know what I like about here is it's all on, it's all working, so people can actually, see how quiet they are. Yes. They can touch and feel, and when it's really hot outside, they can come and hang out in here.
It's always really cold in here. You can ask people that are working here. But yeah, it's a great place to come and see all the different options to cool off your home. Some people have the wall space, some people don't. And so there are lots of different options.
And you guys are open?
We're open 7 days a week now, so you can come down and see us any day of the week. We're open 8 to 7 on weekdays and 10 to 7 on the weekends.
Okay, great. Revolusan at SALT at our Kaka'ako, right above Moku Kitchen. You can't miss it. Come on down. Thank you so much. Trini. And don't wait until the last minute to get your air conditioning units, because summer will be here before you know it.
That's right.
And you don't want to wait till it's hot like that, and then they may have waiting lists.
No, they always do it during the summer, so the time to do it is right now.
I agree.
For sure. Yeah.
Coming up on Living 808.